I used to avoid Smudge tool until I set these settings. Hey guys, today I want to share my new favorite blending technique in Ibispaint using the Smudge tool. I actually used to avoid using the Smudge tool. Instead, I always blended with my custom brush because I could never achieve the soft blending I was longing for. And now I finally found a setting that actually worked. So the brush I'm using is Penfade, and here are my settings if you'd like to try them too. So I forgot to show you, but please set the stabilizer to 10. So the trick is use small size of your brush instead of using a large brush to blend the entire area. Try to focus on one section at a time. I start by blending the shadow into the midtone, then move on to the blending the midtone into the light tone. Once blended, I go back over the entire area until all the colors blend together. So it definitely takes a little more patience, but I think it's worth it. And yeah, here's the final result. This is the exact same technique I used to render this nose using the Penfade. I hope this technique helps you. So if you are struggling with the smudge tool like I did, so if you decide to try it, I'd love to hear what you think in the comments. So thank you so much for watching and happy painting.